Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. While storms continue to pound portions of the Midwest and the plains over the next couple of days, we're not going to feel a whole lot other than maybe feeling a little bit closer to summer with the summer heat and humidity. Just a little bit of a taste of it on the way over the next couple of days. Eventually we get some storms, but rain chances are kind of up in the air for this weekend. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. So let's take a look at the big picture across the lower 48. It's quiet in Louisiana, but you can see that big red blob this evening across portions of Kansas all the way down into Oklahoma. And by the way, Oklahoma saw its first tornado of the season. That is the latest they have seen their first tornado in the spring season on record. So interesting there. Numerous big supercells across portions of Kansas, Nebraska into portions of Iowa this evening, where we did have a number of large tornadoes spotted. Too early to tell on how many and how large, but also severe thunderstorm warnings as well. And this is what we have going on the radar satellite composite. Still a tornado watch for portions of Kansas, severe thunderstorm warnings inside that tornado watch box, and then a severe thunderstorm watch up across Iowa, but I haven't seen any warnings up here. Now eventually this is associated with a frontal boundary that will eventually push through Acadiana, but in a much weaker form. Tomorrow though, it's going to be active once again. In fact, as we look at our severe weather risk tomorrow, almost in the same area, a moderate risk of severe storms. That's pretty close to a done deal that there's going to be severe weather across portions of Kansas, perhaps into Missouri and southwestern Iowa once again. And notice the enhanced area stretches back into Oklahoma, and a slight risk of severe storms Chicago all the way down to the Rio Grande for tomorrow. Then activity slowly progresses eastward as we get into Thursday. Slight risk here. Inside this slight risk area, there may be an enhanced risk once again as we get closer to Thursday, but then the front kind of runs out of gas as it pushes closer to us, and we'll show you that coming up in just a bit. Fair skies across Acadiana this evening. You see Jupiter rising, the moon following behind it, so that's something to look at. If you missed it last night, it was real pretty. It should be pretty again tonight before the clouds come in, and the clouds will be coming in by 3-4 o'clock in the morning, maybe even a sprinkler or two first thing in the morning, but significant rain chances will be quite low. We did see a few showers today, northern parishes, but not much. Elsewhere it was quiet. By lunchtime, intervals of sun in between the clouds, and then by late tomorrow afternoon, mostly sunny skies. And we go into tomorrow evening, we'll do much the same. Fair skies, but clouds coming in for Thursday morning. But Thursday afternoon, we'll be back to mostly sunny skies. Temperatures once again pushing well into the mid-80s. And then we get into Friday. Here comes that frontal boundary. It will be producing showers and storms across Texas. So we'll move ahead and take a look at the European model first, showing you not much going on. Some showers and storms are early in the day Saturday, but then as the front pushes on through, it's not indicating a whole lot in the way of rainfall. The GFS model looking a little bit better here. A few more showers for Friday. We'll go 20% there, and then it looks like scattered showers and some embedded thunder as we go into Saturday afternoon. And the good news, both models indicating skies clearing out and mostly sunny skies as we go into the latter part of Sunday. Temperatures tonight, lower 70s to upper 60s. Tomorrow will favor mid-80s, and look at that heat index in the upper 80s to near 90. But at least we'll have a little bit of a tropical breeze overnight tonight, a little bit of a wind, and then it gets nice and gusty tomorrow afternoon in the 15 to 18 mile an hour range. So nice and milder out there tonight, but the clouds coming in later on. 69 the low, tomorrow 85 the high, so we're inching towards summer there. But again, that tropical breeze is going to feel good. Going into Thursday, Friday, much the same. Slight chance of a shower or thunder shower late Friday. Best rain chances right now will go 60% Saturday, and that number may go down again tomorrow. That might be the trend. We'll see. And Sunday looking good, and going into next week, not much relief with that front, with lots of mid-80s in the forecast. It is May after all. And
I think we're ready for it.
Mother Nature's kind of kicking it up a little bit.
She sure is. Thank you, Rob. Still ahead on KATC when prom